Step by step, how to do standing kettlebell thruster. 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold one kettlebell at chest level, front rack position, or one in each hand resting on your shoulders. Keep your elbows close to your body and core tight. 2. Lower into a squat. Push your hips back and bend your knees. Lower down until your thighs are parallel or slightly below parallel to the floor. Keep your chest lifted and spine neutral. 3. Drive up. Push through your heels to stand up explosively. As you rise, use the power from your legs and hips to help press the kettlebells overhead. Feign press overhead. Fully extend your arms, locking out your elbows at the top. Keep your biceps close to your ears. They return to start. Slowly lower the kettlebells back to the front rack position. That's 1 rep. Repeat for 8 to 12 reps or your desired count. Muscles worked. Legs, quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes. Core, abdominals, obliques, lower back. Shoulders, deltoids. Arms, triceps, forearms. Back, traps, lats for stability. Benefits of standing kettlebell thruster. 1. Full body strength. Engages both upper and lower body simultaneously. 2. Improves explosive power. Builds strength for athletic movements like jumping or sprinting. 3. Enhances cardiovascular fitness. The dynamic movement boosts your heart rate for a cardio strength combo. 4. Core stability. Strengthens your abs and lower back through stabilization. 5. Increases functional strength. Mimics real-life movement patterns for better performance in daily activities. 6. Burns calories efficiently. Works large muscle groups, increasing calorie burn. 7. Improves coordination and balance. Requires full body control and smooth transition from squat to press. 8. Time-efficient workout. You train multiple muscles in one move. Great for short, intense workouts. Thanks for watching.